Hey everyone, so today we're going to do a bloom, but this time we are using a 2-to-1 resin. A lot of people have asked about the 2-to-1 resin, and so today I'm going to use it. So in my glass I've got 100 grams of A, and I've got 43 grams of B, and I've mixed it and I've let it sit for like 25 minutes. Now it's getting a little bit warm, as you can see. My temperature is 42. By the time I finish mixing everything, it should climb a little more. So you need to get this higher in temperature than you would a 1-to-1 resin. Normally a 1-to-1 resin, you'll have it sitting for 15 to 20 minutes till it reaches 32-35 degrees, whereas this one you'll have to leave it a little bit longer for it to thicken. Okay, so with that said, I'm going to now separate my white. Too much, and the rest I'll pour in here. As you'll all know that resin does its own thing. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Okay, so I'll put that aside. Now with this one, we're going to do maybe blue, and I'm using the marabou colors. And we're going to go for a mango from Deco Rome. And then I'm going to do a little bit of purple. I know, maybe a little bit of orange. And maybe a tinge of violet. Not too much. And now I'll just mix the colors a bit. I'm gonna put some green. I'll make it a dark green. Sorry about that. Just a tinge. Just go around. Because it's a very strong color. Okay, so while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna mix my white. It's about 2 drops, maybe a tad more. And I can feel it getting warm. I think the green has gone a little bit more. Let's see how it works out. Okay. Just cut a tiny little bit off. This end is really tricky. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to press the button. Alright, so let's have a look. Oh, that came out beautiful. Although some of them didn't spread. But it's gorgeous. Look at that. I hope you enjoyed that. See ya.